Hey my dinos, thanks for joining me for another Letters episode. Today, I want to tell you about Earth's gravity. Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere on Earth. If the Earth were smooth and perfect, gravity would be the same everywhere. But Earth has mountains, oceans, valleys, and other features. The differences in gravity across Earth are called gravity anomalies. A mission called GRACE, Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment, has a satellite that orbits Earth and maps the gravity across the whole surface. Isn't that awesome? Okay, dinos, let's get ready for our worksheets. Are you ready? I am, because I have you.
Okay, dinos, now that we're ready, let's write our names. I chose blue today to write my name. What color did you choose? Oh, I love that color. By the way, you dinos are doing such a great job at writing your names. It looks so neat. Okay, let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. Now it says 1 is red, 2 is brown, and 3 is yellow. 1 is red, 2 is brown, 3 is yellow. So 1 says it's red, so let's grab our red crayons and color where it says 1. Great job, dinos. Where it says 1, we color red. Now here's the mouth. It says 1, so color the inside of the mouth red. Two is brown. And where it says 2, we are going to color it brown. Grab your brown crayons. Hey dinos, want to learn some fun facts about lions? Did you know that lions live for about 10 to 14 years in the wild? And did you know that African lions are the most social of all big cats and live together in groups or called pride? Great job. Now it says 3 is yellow. So where it says 3, let's color the rest of the line yellow. Grab your yellow crayons. Great job at following the directions, dinos. Do you know how lions choose their leader? Well, male lions rub so hard they sometimes knock each other over. The head of the family is a pride male. He's the king of the pride, and it's his job to protect the female lions, which are called lioness, and their young cubs. Do you know how long a lion sleeps? Well, male lions spend 18 to 20 hours a day snoozing. Isn't that a long time? While females get 15 to 18 hours of shut-eye. The lioness spend more time hunting and taking care of the cubs, which is why they get slightly less sleep. And following a large meal, lions may even sleep up to 24 hours. Talk about a cat nap. Great job, dinos! Look at Mr. Lion. He's so ferocious. I can't wait to see you next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!